In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to change the language in the Rednote app. Whether you want to switch to your preferred language or set it up for someone else, this tutorial will make the process simple. Let's get started. First, open the Rednote app on your device and ensure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, locate the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen, and tap on it. A menu will slide out. Scroll down and select Settings, which you'll find near the bottom of the menu. Now, within the Settings page, look for General Settings and tap on it. This will take you to another menu. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Languages. Tap on it to open a list of available languages. From here, simply scroll through the list and tap on the language you want to use. The app will immediately switch to your selected language. In some cases, you may be prompted to restart the app for the changes to fully apply. If that happens, just close the app and reopen it, and you're good to go. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy using the Rednote app in the language of your choice. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials.